It wasn't food, guys.
Don't eat those. Those are quarters. Alright, go ahead. Dog, don't eat it. It's money, not food.
Come on, ready? Off.
I think he's stuck. Oh, nope, he's not stuck. He moved.
Lift needs pulled back.
The lift needs pulled back?
Mm-hmm.
Better?
Mm-hmm. So the further I can get anyway.
Alright.